Every business strives to deliver on its promises, but sometimes things don't go as planned. Service failure occurs when a company does not meet customer expectations, resulting in disappointment or frustration. This gap between what was promised and what was delivered is critical as it shapes the customer's perception of the brand. Customers typically have a zone of tolerance, a range within which service is considered acceptable. Falling below this zone leads to dissatisfaction, while exceeding it can create delight. Recognizing the causes of service failure is the first step toward improvement. These causes can include issues with facilities, staff actions, systems, or even the actions of other customers. By understanding where things go wrong, organizations can begin to address the root problems and move toward effective service recovery. When customers experience service failure, they have several choices. Some may simply put up with it, others might complain, and some may leave altogether. Interestingly, complaints are not always a bad thing. In fact, they are valuable because they make invisible problems visible to the service provider. Only when a company is aware of an issue can it take steps to resolve it. Decision to complain or leave depends on factors like the strength of dissatisfaction, past relationships, switching costs, and the significance of the service. For businesses, encouraging feedback and making it easy for customers to voice concerns is essential. This not only helps in fixing immediate problems but also provides opportunities to improve service quality in the long run. Service recovery is the structured process of resolving failures in a way that maintains or even enhances the perception of quality. Effective recovery can sometimes lead to higher satisfaction than if no problem had occurred, a phenomenon known as the service recovery paradox. The key is to address the issue promptly, fairly, and transparently. Customers expect justice, which includes fair compensation, consistent processes, and respectful treatment. Organizations should empower frontline staff to resolve issues quickly and exceed expectations when possible. Not only does this restore trust, but it can also be more cost-effective than losing and replacing customers. Ultimately, the best service recovery happens when the root cause of failure is addressed, reducing the need for future recoveries and building lasting loyalty. The heart of effective service recovery lies the concept of justice. When a service failure occurs, customers want to see that the organization responds fairly. Justice in this context has three dimensions: distributive, procedural, and interactional. Distributive justice is about the compensation matching the degree of failure. Procedural justice refers to having a consistent and transparent process for handling complaints. Interactional justice focuses on the behavior of staff. Customers expect to be treated with respect and empathy. Organizations that train their staff to handle complaints appropriately and communicate clearly are more likely to turn dissatisfied customers into loyal advocates. By embedding justice into every recovery effort, companies can not only resolve issues but also strengthen their reputation and customer relationships. Truly excel in service recovery, organizations must go beyond simply reacting to failures. Proactive service recovery means identifying and resolving the root causes of problems before they escalate. This approach not only improves overall service quality, but also reduces the time and resources spent on fixing recurring issues. By empowering teams, fostering open communication, and continuously learning from feedback, businesses can create a culture of continuous improvement. Ultimately, the goal is to minimize service failures and ensure that when they do occur, customers feel valued and heard. In the long run, effective service recovery builds trust, loyalty, and a strong competitive advantage.